Hi, I'm Liz Nedden. Let's have a look at finding the volume of triangular prisms. So, a prism is a 3D shape where it has two identical ends and then flat sides. So, in this first picture here, I've got a triangle on the top, I've got a triangular base, which those two triangles are identical, and it's got the same triangular section all the way through. Part B, it's got the base of one is a square, the bottom base is a square, so top and bottom are the same, and it's got identical sides. In part C, it's the same thing. This front triangle and the back triangle are identical. Part D, the top here is a pentagon, the bottom is a pentagon, and the rest of the sides are flat. E is again another cuboid, and F is got a top here and a bottom, which are both hexagons, and they are prisms. So the formula for a prism is the area of the base times the height. So because I can have different types of prisms, the key is I need to be able to find the area of the base. So the area of the base could be a triangle, a square, a rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, etc, etc, etc. And I just need to find the area of its base and then multiply by the height of it. So for a triangular prism, which is what we'll look at particularly here, there are three different types of triangular prisms. The key is to identify the two ends which are triangular and work out the area of that base. So that's what we want to do. So I'm reminding you here that the base area of a triangle, the formula for that is half the base times the height. So depending on what rotation the triangle is, we still need to find that perpendicular height. So we're looking for those lovely right angles to make sure that we've got that height, which is at right angles or perpendicular. So in full, we would say half the base times the height times its length. So remember, we want to see label, we want to see working answer, and we want the units. So here's our example. So I want to first of all find the base area. So the base area is a triangle, and I want to do half times the base times the height. So for my triangle, my 8 centimeters there, that is the base of my triangle, and the 3 centimeters there, that is the height of my triangle. So I'm going to do half times 8 centimeters times 3 centimeters, and that is going to give me half of 8 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12 centimeters squared. So that tells me that this base area, that has an area of 12 centimeters squared. So to find the volume now, I'm going to do the base area times its length or height. And its length or height in this case is the 6 centimeter. So I'm going to say volume equals that base area of 12 centimeters squared times this length of 6 centimeters, and 12 times 6 gives me an area of 72 centimeters cubed. Thanks very much for watching.